Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cookies using pan. Heat a heavy skillet over medium, melt butter, and whisk sugar and egg in a bowl until pale. Add flour, baking powder, and salt, stir until a soft dough forms, and chill briefly if sticky. Scoop dough into 6 mounds, flatten in pan, and cook 3 to 4 minutes per side until golden and set. Serve warm and enjoy with milk. Use a heavy pan for even heat and line with a small drizzle of oil or butter to prevent sticking. Measure ingredients accurately and avoid overmixing to keep cookies tender. Chilling dough helps control spread. Keep heat steady and use a spatula to flip gently after edges set, cooking each side until golden, and let cookies rest on a rack briefly so centers finish cooking from residual heat for best texture. Quick recommendation: if you like fresh scents in your car, try Little Tree's Black Ice as a fun pick-me-up. It smells crisp and lasts through commutes, which feels nice after a baking session that fills your car with warm cookie aromas. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and like so you don't miss more easy recipes and tips. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Add mix-ins like chocolate chips, chopped nuts, or dried fruit to customize flavor and texture. Try brown sugar for chewiness, a pinch of cinnamon or citrus zest for brightness, or 1 teaspoon vanilla for depth. For larger cookies, press dough to 3/4 inch thick and increase cook time slightly. For crisp cookies, flatten thinner and reduce cook time. Serve with coffee or ice cream for a treat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.